Hello everyone. I am a student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. My name is Akshada Vikas Thakur. I am in MBA Part 1. My presentation is on operational management and my topic name is types of facility layout. Index for this presentation is plant layout, objectives of good layout, factors influencing facility layout, principle of layout, and types of layout. There are 4 types of layout: product layouts, process layout, fixed process layout, and group layout. So let's start. Plant layout. Plant layout refers to the arrangements of machinery, equipment, and other industrial facilities for achieving quickest and smooth production. A plant layout involves planning and arranging manufacturing machinery and services for the first time in completely new plant. The improvements of layout already in use to order to introduce new methods of improvements in manufacturing procedures. Objectives of good layout. Improving productivity is an overall objective of good layout. Provide enough production capacity, reduce material handling cost, utilize labor efficiency, reduce accidents, utilize available space efficiency and effectively, provide ease of supervision, facilitate coordination and communication. Factors influencing facility layout. Material, product, worker, machinery, types of industry, location, managerial policy. Principles of layout. The principle of minimum travel, principle of sequence, principle of usage, principle of compactness, principle of safety and satisfaction, principle of flexibility, principle of minimum investment. Now, types of layout. First, product layout, also known as line processing layout and flow line layout. Process layout, also known as functional layout or job stop layout. Fixed position layout, also known as static layout. Cellular manufacturing layout, also known as group technology layout. Combination layout, also known as hybrid layout. First one is product layout. If all the processing equipments and machines are arranged according to the sequence of the operations of product, the layout is called the product types of layout. In this type of layout, only one product of one type of products is produced in an operating area. This is the chart for product layout. Now, advantages offered by product layout. Lower total material handling cost. There is a less work in processes, better utilization of main and machines. Less floor area is occupied by material in transit and for temporary storages. Greater simplicity of production control. Limitations of product layout. No flexibility which is generally required is obtained in this layout. The manufacturing cost increase with a fall in volume of production. If 1 or 2 lines are running light, there is a considerable machine idleness. A single machine breakdown may shut down the whole production line. Specialized and strict supervision is essential. Next one is process layout. The process layout is particularly useful where low volume production is needed. If the production are not standardized, the process layout is more low desirable because it has a greater process flexibility than other. In this type of layout, the machines are not arranged according to the sequence of operations, but are arranged according to the nature type of operations. This is the chart for process layout. Advantages of process layout. There will be less duplications of machines, thus total investment is in equipment purchase will be reduced. It offers better and more efficient supervision through specialization and various levels. There is a greater flexibility in equipment and manpower, thus load distribution is easily controlled. Better utilization of equipment available is possible. Breakdown of equipment can be easily handled by transferring work to another machine or workstation. There are some limitations also. There are long material flow lines and hence the expensive handling is required. Total production cycle time is more owing to long distance and waiting to various points. Since more work is in queue and waiting for further operations, hence bottleneck occurs. Generally, more floor area is required. Since work does not flow through defined lines, counting and scheduling is more tedious. Next one is fixed position layout. This type of layout is the least important for today's manufacturing industries. In this type of layout, the major components remain in the fixed location. Other materials, parts, tools, machinery, manpower, and other supporting equipments are brought to this location. This is the chart for fixed position layout. Advantages offered by fixed position layout: material movement is reduced, production centers are independent for each other, hence effective planning and loading can be made. Thus total production cost will be reduced. It offers greater flexibility and allows changes in product design, product mix, and product volume. There are some limitations. Highly skilled manpower is required. Movement of machine equipment to production centers may be time consuming. Complicated feature fixtures may be required for positioning of jobs and tools, thus may increase the cost of production. And the last one is group layout. Thus, layout groups all machineries into cell which functions somewhat like a product layout within a process layout. Advantages of group layout is lower WIP, that is work in process, reduced material handling cost, shorter flow time and simplified production planning, improve visual control. There are some disadvantages also, that is reduced flexibility, increased machine downtime. This is the flow chart for group layout in Java. That's all. Thank you.